Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell down there, subscription button down there, and also the notification bell so you don't miss another video. So with all that rambling said, let's get on with the video. So in today's video I am going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. Two unboxings to be honest. So I picked up a couple of new pairs of shoes. One pair was from the Outnet and then the other pair was from J. Crew. Now the pair that I picked up from, I mean I'm going to show you, so I don't know why let me just grab the box. So this is the first box, and I have had these for weeks and I have not unboxed them because I wanted to do them on camera, so I'm so excited to actually open these. And then the second box, it's a little bit battered. This one was, the first one was from the Outnet, and then this one is from J. Crew. So yeah, so I'm so happy to, I'm so excited to see what they're like in here. So yeah, so without further ado, I am literally just gonna get into these. I am so excited to see what they're like. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go for the J. Crew one. As you can see, the box it's more or less battered. This came from the United States of the America. And I'm not gonna tell you what they are. I'm gonna, so it comes in this little box here. J. Crew, and basically they are a court shoe. Now, very, you might think, oh, quite boring. I suppose all in all, yeah, a little bit boring. But what I wanted was a classic black court shoe that I could wear with jeans, just something really classic. And I've had my eye on these forever. I remember watching a video, for the life of me I cannot remember whose video it was, but it was so long ago, I really can't remember, and they mentioned these as being the perfect court shoe. So this is the box it comes in. Basically they said it was the perfect court shoe and how they were really comfortable, blah 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 blah. So I was like, well, I want them. So I went onto the website and I think it was about 200, let's see, might have it in here. Original price was 200 and okay, it's nothing in this. It's just shipping information. That's weird, because it literally says zero amount, and trust me, I paid money for them. Interesting. So yeah, they're about $200 and something. Now I am subscribed to Shop Tagger. Now if you don't know Shop Tagger, it's not sponsored by them or anything like that. It's just basically a website you can go onto, or actually no, it's not a website, it's like an app kind of thing. So anything you see online, it gives you alerts as to if there's discounts on it, or if it's out of stock when it comes back into stock. And I kind of had these on that. Now I was watching them, anyway, there was an offer on. Now they went down in the sale for about 20%, so which took them to about $179. But then I also got a discount voucher through Tagger, which made it, I think it was an extra 15%, 25%, 35%. I really can't remember. I should really remember these details, but I don't. However, the 200 and whatever dollar shoes that I originally was going to buy, I managed to get them for about $90, including shipping and everything. So yeah, so I'm very pleased. It goes, new shoes equals the best. Yes. And then it comes with it. I'll show you. It comes with a little dust bag. And as I say, they're very basic, but as I've said, I wanted a really classic black cut shoe. So these are them. Oh, they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. Oh my god, they're everything I hoped. I mean, I've not tried them on. I got them in a US 9.5. On the website it gives you an idea of sizes and stuff. As I said, I'm not familiar, but yeah, oh, they're very nice, very nice. I feel like they need to be stretched out, so I'll probably just pop some socks on to get these stretched out. And obviously got the other shoe. Honestly, they're just look, that I love a black suede shoe. I don't know what it is with like suede. I'd rather black suede than like a paint leather or leather, you know, like your classic leather. But oh, these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And it says upper leather. Sorry, the lining is leather and upper is leather and the sole is synthetic, so it's a synthetic sole. But look at that, it's, if I'd got the neck size up that they would fit, I feel like they would stretch after a while and then be too big. So it's literally just around here that just needs kind of a little bit of a stretching out. The fit itself, I feel okay, but I feel like I just need to, as I say, pop some socks and walk around with them to get that a little bit stretched out. But oh, love it. Then on to the next pair of shoes. Oh god. So these I bought, again, these are, oh, I should have brought some scissors over there. 1 second. And I'm back. Some scissors in hand. So as I was saying, so these I bought more recently actually. I got these from Outnet. Now I've got these again, they're on, I think they were discounted, but I will say the I think, was it DPD? It was DPD that I got these from, and the service was horrendous. It actually does put me off actually buying stuff from the Outlet, because I know that's what the courier they use, and the experience was horrendous, as I said. So these babies, I'll show you, it comes in the box like so. Which ones these are, Oh wow. So very well packaged, and then obviously it's just got the little Outlet sticker there, can you see? Hopefully you can. First time recording on this, so I hope it's okay. The picture's pretty good on what I can see on my viewfinder, but yeah, so when I say the packaging, literally that's thick packaging like that. Crazy, right? Crazy. So these are my new Castagna wedges. Again, another brand and shoe that I have wanted forever. I just feel like they're a classic. Oh, the box is beautiful as well. It's really nice. But they're a classic summer shoe, summer wedge, and I picked these up in a grey. I thought, one, they were the only colour that was available on there, and again I got these discounted. I think I managed to pay £53. Now I think the original price is a lot higher than that, but I kind of thought, yeah, I like grey, something that's clearly a colour I gravitate to, is a colour I wear. So I thought, yeah, this definitely be something that I would rock. And I picked these up. I'm sure the sizes are usual. Well, it says US 9, UK 6.5 and EU size 40, and I'm normally a size 7. So those are my two new babies that I've picked up. So as I said, I've been wanting to record this video for ages. I've had them in the box, not opened, because I want to do it all on camera, and I'm so happy. I'll give you a look at the sole. Just a simple sole. As I say, you can see it's got the Castagna business on there. Made in Spain. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Even better than what I'd hoped. I think they're quite fluffy. You can get like higher heeled ones, different size wedges. I mean, that's a good size. That's a good like everyday kind of wear. You know, dressed. I've got some other new bits and bobs that I've picked up actually, so I'm going to show those in a different video. So these would definitely work really well with some of the other pieces that I've picked up recently. So yes people, that is everything that I wanted to show you today. So I will show you the one, because there are two in there, so it does come with like your two pairs. So yeah, so that is everything today, guys. Really quick video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the new bits and bobs, two new bits and bobs that I picked up today. Sorry, over the last few months, didn't pick them up today. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you did end up enjoying the video, I'd really appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up, let me know that you like the video. And also what I will do is I will leave you a few of the videos of my previous videos for you to have a little look at, and I will catch you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See ya.